What's going on, YouTube? OCD for EDC here. And you can probably tell there's some shadowing going on here, and it's because we don't have any power. Today is Monday, August 10th, and we just had an insane storm roll through here. And it looked a little something like this. Well, maybe, if this will play. So we had extremely fast moving clouds. I don't know if you can see that or not, but everything's just spinning. Little like time lapse that I did. Anyway, yeah, it was pretty wild and pretty vicious storm. Wasn't actually a tornado. However, we have lots of damage. So just we have some power lines knocked down. We have damage to our house. We have lots of damage to outbuildings and trees and all sorts of stuff. You can see right there, power lines hanging down. And yeah, so pretty crazy. It sucks. And I've got a huge mess on my hands with a ton of stuff to clean up. We actually, there you go, there's trees on the house. So anyway, gives you an idea of what we're dealing with at the moment, which really sucks. However, I did get this. The mail actually showed up today, which is remarkable because there's been insane issues with mail here lately. But this package came from one of our viewers, Mr. William Lenderman. And he did text me the other day and told me this was coming. I don't remember exactly what all is in here. But I figured let's go ahead and, because of this shitty day we're having, do something a little positive here. So, get the stuff out of the way here. So we got a Tucson, we have a ZT, we have a Benchmade, and that looks like it, along with an envelope here with a note in it. And he starts it out with "Bonjour, bitches." So it's actually quite a long note, so I will read that later. But let's check out what, William sent his bug out along. He actually bought this, purchased this used, I'm pretty sure, on eBay, I think he told me. And he was questioning whether or not it was real. And after that fake one that I received, this one here. So we'll check it out. But so we've got the standard 535 blue bug out, which is cool. And then we have a Tucson. What is this? Oh, the TS 129. This was his entry for this month's TSA, which is lovely. Awesome knife. And then we also got this ZT here. This is, it says the 0450 Sinkovich. Take a look at this. I think he was telling me that this one had a mirrored polished edge on it, if I remember correctly. It's awfully well packaged. So there we go. There's the Sinkovich 0450. Really cool knife. I like the red barrel spacers there. It's a nice little touch. Yeah, cool little ZT. And these, like the 0450, the 0470, the 0460, these era ZTs just have phenomenal action. Really cool knives and just really well made. This is some of the best work that ZT has done to date, in my opinion. A few of these Sinkovich designs are just really, really well done. And this one is no exception. It feels really fantastic. It's got a really nice mirror polish edge on it. You can see right there. So cool. Well, thank you, sir, for sending these along in the TSA, and I'll check out the bug out and whatnot, and read your note and see what all we got going on here. But anyway, just thought I'd do a little unboxing, talk a little bit about the shit weather that we're having here and all the damage and stuff that we got, which just really really sucks. I've got a lot of hours ahead of me of cleaning up trees and whatnot. So I got to go bust out the old chainsaws. So anyway, thanks guys. Hope everybody's having a good one. We'll talk to you later.